The Silicon Valley Bank is considered to be the second largest crash in the US banking history. But how did all this happen? The Silicon Valley Bank had billions of dollars invested in the US Treasury bonds. These US Treasury bonds are considered to be the safest investment on the planet. But this time, the story is different. The Federal Reserve in the US was fighting high inflation. In order to fight this inflation, they decided to raise the interest rates. And we all know when interest rates rise, what happens to the bond prices? The bond prices tend to decline. And that's what happened. But how does this exactly happen? Let's understand this with an example. If the government issues a bond of rupees 10,000, which is giving an interest rate of 5%, during this time the inflation is 4%, which means the bond is giving a better return, beating inflation. Subsequently, what happens is that the inflation rises to 8%. So the government, in order to fight this inflation, will also raise interest rate to 10%. If the government raises interest rates to 10%, then the demand for the existing bonds, which were offering 5% interest, drastically declines. Because why would any investor invest in a bond which is giving 5% interest when he is getting a bond which is giving 10% interest? So due to this drastic fall in demand, the existing bond prices, which were giving 5% interest, will decline in prices. Now applying the same principle to the Silicon Valley Bank, as mentioned earlier, they had billions of dollars invested in the US Treasury bonds. Due to this, they incurred losses in billions of dollars, and this triggered the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank.